Hello dear kids, how are you? Like and subscribe my channel. Let's replay. Hey, there's a cow, milk, apple, and a Mickey Mouse. Hey dear kids, this is my shop. The cow milk shop. The pure milk shop. And fresh fruit. Also available on my shop. Hey Mickey Mouse, give me a fresh milk. Hey, here you drink the milk. I am healthy because I drink pure cow milk like that. Weep, weep. Oh, Mickey Mouse, I'm going to work and I have many energy for work. Vroom, vroom. Therefore I eat apple, the red apple, and also drink milk. Okay. You eat fresh apple and drink the pure milk of cow. Yeah. I am ready to work. Because I eat apple and drink milk, pure milk. I am very happy. Thank you. Welcome. You gave me money. I gave you money on return of my work. I am waiting. Go.